Hey buddies, let's get ready to brainstorm digraphs. Covering lot of digraphs, so watch it till the end and don't forget to hit like if you find this useful. OO makes two sound. Oo as in moon, spoon, boot, root, soon, and O as in foot, book, took, look. OW says ow as in cow, clown, town, down, brown, and O as in row, bow, low, snow, glow. QU says coo as in quail, quite, quit, queen, quiz. CH make three different sounds. Ch as in chest, chin, cheek, chip, chill. K as in chemist, school, Christmas, echo, chaos. Sh as in chef, machine, parachute, brochure. SH makes sh sound as in shut, ship, sheet, shell, shape. AY says A as in ray, way, spray, tray, day, play. AI as in train, rain, main, sprain, faint. ER as in her, water, butter, shutter, later. UR as in turn, burn, curl, hurt, turtle. IR as in bird, girl, shirt, dirt, third. TH makes two sound. Th as in three, theme, think, thrill, thumb. TH as in this, that, these, those, them. OI says oi as in coin, point, soil, boil, foil. OY says oi as in toy, boy, soy, royal, enjoy. CK says k as in pick, sick, flick, tick, check. ED makes three different sounds. D as in lived, id as in wanted, painted, decided, and T as in jumped. NG makes ng sound as in swing, ring, ping, long, wrong. OA says O as in boat, toad, road, coat, throat. OU says ow as in shout, loud, mount, round, bound. WH says w as in white, wheel, whale, whip, whisk. UI says oo as in fruit, juice, suit, recruit, cruise. EE makes E sound as in teeth, seek, free, seed, tree. AR says R as in car, star, far, shark, bug. EA makes two sound. E as in tweak, leak, read, meet, clean. And A as in bread, dead, spread, sweat. Thank you for learning. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos on phonics. And keep watching, keep learning. Bye. Take care.